Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad paper, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this tablet. First of all, open Devices Settings. Now tap on Notifications over here and select Manage All. Then select one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. When you find it, click on this switcher next to it. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now off, but you can always switch them back on by tapping on the same now white switcher. You can also go back select one of your apps over here instead, click on the chosen one and tap on this switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!